A few moments later.
Hello everyone, welcome back to mini vlog Kartika. Today I am going to Curug Payung. I'm really so excited because I'm well heard that this waterfall is beauty and hard pleasure and water. Right now, I am on my the journey is very enjoy because the scenery is full on the ground that I'm fresh air.
I say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while, 'cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are.
After I'm so well and finally entering and Curug Payung. Wow, the view is amazing. The waterfall is color and refreshing, and the surrounding nature is beautiful.
Oh, you know, I never ask you to change. If perfect's what you're searching for, then just stay the same. So don't even bother asking if you look okay. You know I'll say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while, 'cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. The way you
I'm taking so photo and video. We'll enjoy seeing the cool burger and feeling at more. This is a perfect villager to first my need and spend time with nature. I'm really so happy, guys. I'm really happy to visit Curug Payung today. It was and fun and memorable experience.
when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing.
Tapi pakai bahasa Inggris. Gampang serangan kasih.
And when you smile, the whole